Hey designers, and welcome back. Today I've got that long-awaited video for you. You've been asking for months for me to show you how to do these eyebrows, and today I'm finally delivering, so stick around.
Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer.
Before we get started on today's video, I have to go ahead and let you guys know I am in no way near a makeup artist or professional or anything of that nature. I'm just a girl who loves makeup, and I'm going to show you, because you've asked, how I've been doing my brows. Many of you noticed that I've made a little change in the way that I've been doing my brows at the urging of baby girl. She's the one who talked me into it and tried to hippen me up a little bit, so I obliged. And not only was she pleased, all of you seem to be pleased as well. So for a couple months now, you've been wanting to see what I'm doing. You've wanted to see the change, and I have shown you in a few get readies with me, but I haven't done a specific brow tutorial. So we're going to jump right on in. This isn't professional, so be kind and be patient, because I'm the first one to tell you I know the technique is probably not correct, and I know there are much better ways to do it. You can search YouTube to find some real professionals show you how to do it, but this is how I do it. One of my favorite products to use right now is the IT Cosmetics Build-A-Brow Gel. I use it in the color dark brown. I'm also going to use my Build-A-Brow brush, also from IT Cosmetics. It has this super fantastic little end right here that makes the strokes look a little more natural, hair-like. And then of course it does have the spoolie on the other end. I like to start off by just brushing all of my hairs, making sure they're in the same direction, and then dipping my brush right into that little gel. I begin etching on the brows. I start at the fattest point of where my natural hair grows, and then I just draw a diagonal line up until I meet the normal arch of my brow. This is going to give me just a little bit thicker of a brow line because, as you can see, my brows are super thin. I'm going to repeat that process on the top side of my brow. Again, just where the natural hair stops growing. That is the place where I'm going to use as my guide. And then I'm just going to twist that little arch around and bring it right down to a tail on the bottom, meeting the bottom line that I've already got in place. And when I have the outline for the brow, it's now time to just fill it all in. I use little teeny strokes, you'll see right here, because for me that's just a little bit easier to keeping my lines straight. It's a whole lot more time consuming, and I know not the best way to do it, but for me it seems to work right now. And I just keep working around until I get it all filled in looking like I want it to. And here is the final result. Take a look at the dramatic difference between those two brows. Yes, brows really do frame a face, and they really do complete a makeup look. Now it's time just to go ahead and finish the other eye using the very same technique. Definitely much better than how my brows were looking before. And there you go. It is a long process for me, you guys. I got to admit, it's a long process because I'm not really good at it, but it seems to be working okay for me. So I'm just going to keep working at it and keep perfecting the process. But you guys wanted to see it, so there you go. And I hope that you've enjoyed it and have learned just a little bit from it. I want to thank you all so very much for watching, and I want to remind you, you were created for purpose, so go be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.